I'm sipping to the tea today. Welcome back to Fame! Welcome back to the other video of Kari Brothers and Kari Brothers YouTube channel. Okay guys, if you are new here, kindly hit some red button.
Why are you not laughing? Is it not fun?
Short you family, welcome to the other video of Kari Brothers and Kari Brothers YouTube channel. Okay guys, if you are new here, kindly hit thumbs up button somewhere here below and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell for notification so that you cannot miss anything when I upload my next video. Okay guys, so today's video is gonna be so easy and it's gonna be so short. I promise guys, it's gonna be short, but I don't know what will go on through this video, you know. So guys, today I'm going to do, as you see the title somewhere below, today I'm going to do a simple, very simple video that is called Q&A, guys, because I never did this before. I did the assumptions about me. It will pop here, somewhere here or here, left or right, I'm not sure, but it will pop somewhere here, so that you guys can just visit that video. And I did assumptions about SOTHO, guys. I'm gonna post in the description box somewhere here below. Make sure to check it out. Okay guys, before I begin with this video, let me just start announcing my shout out. Okay guys, let's begin into the video. To write some of your questions somewhere here, because I use one phone, guys. You know the struggle during this quarantine time, so I don't have the money to buy another phone, so I will be using this. Please be patient with me. I did wrote I don't know what should I call it, a question here. I wrote this on Instagram. So guys, I got a multiple of responses about questions that you want to ask to me, and I'm gonna reply those questions here. And the only platform that I used is Instagram. So guys, the first question says, what filter do you use for your pictures on Instagram? Guys, on Instagram I don't use any filter.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Okay, that was a joke. Guys, on Instagram I'm using Lightroom, but you can check Ben Pen's channel. I'm gonna put his link somewhere here below. That is a good editing app that Ben Pen is going through with you, you know, like guiding you and giving you some tips on how to edit or do some things. So guys, it's actually amazing. You can check that out. And the same question says, have you started earning some coins on YouTube? Guys, I'm not receiving any money from YouTube, and I just did this platform just for fun, just to express myself and to have that bond with you. So I don't earn any money in this platform. What made you to start a YouTube channel? Actually, basically it will be I did want to express myself. I did want to prove my self-confidence. I did want to boost my self-confidence. I did want to explore people, to work with people, and to give people out my content, you know, so that I can know where I'm weak and where I'm strong. So guys, that's why I decided to start this amazing channel with you. What is your relationship between you and Bukamuso? Okay guys, if you don't know Bukamuso, watch this video until the end. And guys, this guy is just amazing, guys. His video will pop on my outro in the end of this video, so you guys you can check him out, guys. He is just amazing in this channel. He's just so doing well. Okay guys, Bukamuso is not my blood brother, you know. He's not my blood brother, but we are so close. He's my cousin. I don't know whether I can say I like, but guys, we have that bond of being brothers, so it's my brother that way, you know. So let's go to the other question. When did you actually started a channel and decided to be consistent with it? Okay guys, I started my channel I think since 2016. Yeah, it was 2016 when I started this channel. I opened this channel, I entered my Gmail account, I named this channel, but this channel was not named as it is named now. Well, it was not named Kari Brothers, it was named Kekelizo Kadi, you know. But we decided to be in collaboration with my brother that is called Kari Khotofalang. You can follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put his IG account somewhere here below. And guys, you have to check our first video. It's amazing. I started this channel with him and I'm still collaborating with him. It's so nice to be working with this boy. Like, everything is just smoothly running now. So I think I did answer this question. Okay, let's go to the other question. This is the 7th question, I think. What is your dream vacation? Yeah, guys, my dream vacation, I think it will be in Maldives, guys. Yo, I really want to go to Maldives. And I believe that one day that dream will come true. You know, that dream will come true, guys. I'm dreaming of Maldives, and the shores on Maldives, the oceans, everything in Maldives is just on point. So guys, my dream vacation, it will be Maldives. One day I'll go to Maldives and I'll take pictures and post them in my Instagram account. Okay, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm at I'm so gonna put this handle somewhere below, and you can also check my description box so that you can follow me. And guys, I did forget to mention that I'm posting a shout out for those people who got the shout out in the beginning of this video. Did go to my description box somewhere here below and check it. There are rules and regulations so that you can get a shout out. So guys, you can get you can just go in my description box and read those rules and get yourself a smooth shout out without any questions or queries. What is the most thing that you have done in your life and regretted? Oh guys, I think this question is so personal. I think this will be on 2013 when I failed my grade 11. Yo guys, that was a painful feeling that I ever feel, and I did regret myself because I was playing. You know when you are playing and you get your results for playing, you are just there not knowing what to do, but you were hoping to pass, yet you are failing. So guys, it will be on 2013 where I failed my grade 11, and I so regret that, and I know that will never ever happen in my life because I'm not a failure, you know. So yeah, if things were done in your way, what is the thing that you wish it never happened? Never happened. Let me drink water for this question. If things were done in my way, guys, it will be, I'll be wishing that you know, my dad was alive. I'll be wishing to have some bond with him. I'll be wishing to be with him, just to spend time with him and to talk with him. So that was the thing that I wish if it was never happened, but it was not, or if it was done on my way, guys, I really wish that. But I'm so fine with it because I have this lady that is called Mom. You know, I'm gonna post the video that I recorded with her, guys. It's amazing, so please check out. I'm gonna pin the comment somewhere below and copy the link, paste it for you. So guys, you kindly watch that video. It's amazing. What one thing that you will never forget, or you'll be forever grateful for? I think, guys, one thing that I'll be grateful for is your support. You know, your support for now is just genuine. Your support for now is just amazing. And you guys, you just DMing me on Instagram, you just following me on Instagram, you just subscribe to my channel. So guys, I just love you so much. But please help me to get to that 1,000 subscribers. We are so close, guys. We are so close. Help me to get to that 1,000 subscribers, and then you screenshot, you do the things that need to be done. You check the description box somewhere here below, and I'm gonna give you a shout out on Instagram and on YouTube. So let's go. What advice would you give to anyone who wants to start a channel? This is the last question, I know. I think, guys, my advice to advise someone who want to start a channel and who's afraid to do so, who is lacking a self-confidence, who is just lacking anything, and think that because he or she does not have a camera, or she does not have something to record, guys, just start. You know, start. If you have your phone, start with the phone, because now I'm recording with my phone, right? So guys, there's no excuses to starting a channel. Just start a channel right now. Start a channel. It will work out, I promise. Start it right now. Start the channel right now. So guys, I think you will have to support yourself, to boost your self-confidence. You don't need anyone to behave, you know. You need yourself. You don't need anyone to start a channel. You need yourself. So guys, anything that is happening to you, it needs you, you know, to solve it. So guys, build your confidence and just face the camera, you know, because you are alone. Face the camera, start the channel, and be okay. Be okay with it. If you get 2 subscribers, be okay with it. If you get 5 subscribers per day, be okay with it, guys, and just move on, you know, because this is all about pushing, you know, uploading. How you can expect to get fans when you never uploaded any video? So guys, start right now, upload videos and build your confidence. Just be smooth, you know. So you guys, that was all in this video of today. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notifications so that you cannot miss anything that I upload, guys. Yo, it's so nice to be with you, you know. You're so genuine, guys. You're so loving. You just give me that comfort, you know. So you can watch my last video, my videos I'm gonna post in the outro somewhere here. So guys, kindly watch that and do not forget to subscribe. Stay healthy wherever you are and ring the bell for notifications.